Hi, in front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Special Function. Then click on Lightning Multi-Window and click on Gray Sweater next to Lightning Multi-Window to enable it. You can also click on this sweater next to Swipe Up with 3 fingers to switch on or off this feature. When you're ready, go back. Now open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and hold this button with 3 lines to open it in floating window. When you're ready, click on it. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. In order to move it around, hold those 3 dots at the top and drag it. To make it tiny again, click on Home button or tap on those 3 dots and select an icon with 2 arrows. You can also tap on the same dots to mute your app. If you wish to use it in full screen view, click on the top left corner. And to close it, tap on X at the top right one. You can also open your app, access it in the background by clicking on those 3 lines. But this time, select this icon at the top right corner of your app and click on the tiny window as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!